Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Code Tech Nexus. And before we start the tutorial on CorelDraw 6, make sure you give me a like and subscribe because I am going low on the likes, and I apologize because I haven't uploaded videos recently, so it's kind of my fault. But yeah, anyway, let's get on with the tutorial. So basically, I'm gonna make a basic design. We're gonna type in the word landscaping, and we're gonna find a good manuscript font or something that's different than the usual, because as you know, all of the designs and the type of designs depend a lot of on the font. So we're gonna find a cursive or manuscript or whatever you want to call it, signature type font. So, but we're gonna try to find one that's there we go. I think I like this one. So basically, what we're gonna do is get rid of this dot, add a leaf or something, or maybe just, you know what? I change my mind again. All right, so let's go to arrange, shaping, weld, and now what we're going to do is get to the left side and choose Bezier right here, and we kind of gonna do something that I haven't done in a while. I'm sure you guys have seen this type of designs before, so I'll show you in a minute what I'm trying to do here. I forgot to plug in my mouse, sorry. I gotta use it's a freehand design. I forgot to put my mouse, okay. But anyway, so basically we're just gonna connect the dots here and follow through. We're gonna probably put a leaf in there at the end because remember, it's a landscaping logo. So let's double click and actually let's make this thicker. All right, so we kind of gonna play with the sign here, the font. We're gonna make this a little thicker. That goes with our design here. Okay, so now we're gonna double click here. Right click on your mouse or the scanner. You will choose curve to curve. Again, to curve. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing here, and same thing here to curve. Now to get rid of the dots, sometimes it will kind of mess up the design, but I guess this time it didn't, so I'm surprised it went along with the design, which is good. Now we're basically gonna curve all the lines, straight lines, making curve, because it is it's a simple design, but it'll be very attractive to the customer. So we want to cut his eye and, you know, make that sell for your landscaping customer that needs a design. And pretty much just, I have used this tool many times. If you haven't watched many of my tutorials, this is the tool that I use the most, the Bezier tool, kind of like connect dots. It's basically used for tracing images, it has many purposes really. So I invite you guys to subscribe, check out my channel, and watch my tutorials. So, and of course, give me a like. And yeah, basically we're gonna do the same thing here. I feel so weird not using my mouse, sorry, because it was random for the moment. I decided to make this tutorial because I had some free time, and you know, we've been really busy on our local business, and as I mentioned on other videos, we also have other YouTube channels. So Keeps us really busy. So anyway, so we have something here now. Let's draw like a leaf or something. Now leaves are actually not that hard to draw. We can probably make this bigger, but once we make this, okay. All right, so let's double click, and I have so many tutorials here on how to draw a leaf. They're actually easy to draw, to curve. You can add like a contour to the font to make it more nice, but we're gonna leave it be. We're gonna drag this here and drag this here. Actually, it was the other way, so drag it here and here. Okay, so no problem. You can just change the pattern. It doesn't have to follow. You know, there's no rules on designing. So and now let's zoom out and kind of get a look of what we got so far. Okay, now let's make this the same color. And this should grab the attention of the customer. Now I forgot to put this together. I'm gonna do that right now before moving on to adding maybe some contour to the font. Okay, now after you finish doing this, just click shift, pick on the design, this one, the first one, shift, then click on the font and weld, and it is all together now. So it's fit, and we can do the same with the leaf. Okay, now let's do this smaller, and you can kind of like play with this. If you're not happy with how this looks here, I could probably loosen up a little bit more. But I mean, if it messes up with the outline here, you can just kind of like play with the settings. But I mean, this should be good. To me, it looks good. So you can send this sample like this to the customer, or just leave it as it was originally. Now let's add some contour. All right, so let's zoom out, and actually we have the contour here next to us, but I'm gonna show you. I always like to do this. I'm gonna show you where you're gonna find it on your dashboard up here. Go to Window, Docker, and Contour. Then you're gonna choose this one, the one that says Outside Contour, okay? And kind of play with this number here. If it's too thick, then you can leave it. If you like it like that, then you can kind of play with the settings, but I'm gonna make it smaller actually. And yeah, here we go. I think we got something now. All right, yeah, so pretty much this is a very simple design that you guys can practice and, you know, master your designs. Anything that you can practice, you can outmaster, you know, become better. Just practice and you will become better than anybody here, including me. Anyway, thank you guys. I just wanted to show you a quick tutorial here. You can just change the colors, play with the colors, whatever. I'm pretty sure your customer's gonna love this design. Thank you guys. Again, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. I will see you guys again on the next tutorial. Thank you.